Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
5 minutes later.
5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back.
Oh, wow! That's just amazing!
Aha!
Ooh!
5 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away.
A few
Mother
moments
duck
later.
said quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 1,
Okay, okay.
2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day.
Hey!
Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack,
Hey,
quack,
what
quack,
happened?
but only 1 little duck came back.
Holy moly!
Oh no!
1 little duck went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But none of the 5 little ducks
Hey,
came
what
back.
happened?
What's
Said
this?
Mother duck went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all the 5 little ducks came back.
Okay,
5 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all the 5 little ducks came back.
Holy moly!
Aha!
A few moments
Here we go round
later.
the moon, we push the moon, we push the moon. Here we go round the moon, we push on a cold and frosty morning.
Hey!
This is the way we wash our face.
Come
Wash your
on.
face, wash your face. This is the way we wash our face on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair.
Hey!
This is the way we comb our hair on a cold and frosty morning.
5 minutes later.
Mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning.
Go, go, go!
Here
A
we go
few
round
moments
the mulberry
later.
bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush.
Ooh.
Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning.
Go, go, go!
This is
Holy
the way we
moly!
wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth on a cold and frosty morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning.
Hey, what happened?
Holy moly!
Oh no!
Little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking
Okay.
glass. And if that
go, go.
looking glass gets broke, Mama's
A few
gonna
moments
buy
later.
you a billy goat. And if that billy goat don't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cotton wool. And if that cotton wool turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
Okay, okay.
Ooh!
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat don't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cotton wool. And if that cotton wool turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named